Today, let's talk about loofah leaves. Eating loofah leaves has several benefits: clearing heat and detoxifying, moisturizing the lungs and relieving cough, promoting digestion, boosting immunity, lowering blood sugar, and nourishing the skin, earning the title of plant beauty agent. Have you ever heard of harvesting loofah leaves? In the village, people only want the leaves, not the loofahs. The loofahs are thrown away. These are freshly picked loofah leaves. Add some salt. Salt helps remove impurities from the leaves. Soak them in clean water for about 10 minutes. Then rinse them thoroughly with fresh water, since they've been soaked in salt water. They won't rot easily or grow mold, allowing for longer storage. A big bottle of loofah leaves is now ready. It sells for over $10 per bottle on the market. Start growing and making your own now.